So rapid revision series, general aptitude test, GK and current affairs for CUT UG 2025 aspirants. So important events, important news डिस्कस करते हैं. बिहार खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स 2025 logo and mascot unveiled. Launch ceremony held on April 14 in Patna, attended by CM Nitish Kumar and Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandaviya. PM Narendra Modi will inaugurate the games on May 4. So Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, ठीक है. Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Games details scheduled from May 4 to 15 in 5 districts: Patna, Nalanda, Gaya, Bhagalpur, Begusrai. Will feature 28 sports, 8,500 athletes and 1,500 technical staff. The Gaurav Yatra torch will travel through all 38 districts of Bihar between April 15 to May 2. So Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Symbolism and design, mascot inspired by Gaj Singh from Pala era temple art. So this is the mascot, Gaj Singh. ठीक है. Logo, this is a logo for Khelo India Youth Games Bihar. खेल के रंग बिहार के संग. ठीक है. So features symbols like Mahabodhi Temple, Nalanda University. This is a logo, people, tree, sparrow and Gangetic dolphin. Embodies environmental, cultural and spiritual heritage of Bihar. Theme song खेल के रंग बिहार के संग, launched to build excitement and foster sports culture among youth. So Khelo India Youth Games 2025 Bihar. Nischay wins double medals at Asian Under-18 Athletics Championships. Asian Under-18 Athletics Championship at Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Athlete is Nischay from Haryana, India. Event boys shot put, silver medal. Personal best throw of 19.59 meters. This is the second medal at the same event. Also won bronze in discus throw. 16 years of age, showcases his rapid development and consistent international performance. This is the significance of this wonderful double medals at Asian Under-18 Athletics Championship. निश्चय क्लियर है, नोट कर लीजिए कौन सी चैंपियनशिप है, कौन है निश्चय फ्रॉम हरियाणा, इंडिया. इवेंट्स देख लीजिएगा, बॉय शॉट पुट एज वेल एज डिस्कस थ्रो, सिल्वर एज वेल एज ब्रॉन्ज. Mohan Bagan wins Indian Super League ISL 2024-25, achieves historic double. So event date April 13, 2025, Vivekanand Yuba Bharati, Krirangam, Kolkata. Mohan Bagan 2 versus Bangalore FC 1. So this was the score, 2-1. First ISL final victory at home, historic win on home turf. Season double, first team to win both the ISL League Shield and the ISL title in one season. ठीक है, मोहन बगान. Then Saurabh Chaudhary returns to podium with bronze at ISSF World Cup. So ISSF World Cup 10-meter air pistol, Saurabh Chaudhary. So bronze medal at Lima, Peru, April 25. Bronze medal, Saurabh Chaudhary, 22 years of age, from Uttar Pradesh. So these are important, events. Please note it down. Then we have books and authors, one of the famous topics from which the questions come in general knowledge and current affairs of CUT UG, general aptitude test. So books and authors: Careless People, a cautionary tale of power, greed and lost idealism, Sahara Win Williams. So this is the author, the book. Then we have Telecom Wars, the race to capture a billion voices. Telecom Wars, the race to capture a billion voices, by Dipali Gupta. The Turning Point, the naval role in Sri Lanka's war of LTTE, terrorism, Vasantha Karanagoda. ठीक है. Then we have Sacred, the mysticism, science, recipes and rituals around the planets we worship, by Vasudha Rai. So let's hope इसमें से कुछ questions आए and you become lucky. चलिए, all the best and then we'll meet very soon. God bless you. Thank you.